Think healthy, whole food cooking takes forever? Think again. Today I'm showing you 5 insanely delicious 5-minute vegan meals that are 100% SOS free, no salt, oil or sugar, but full of flavor. First up, a 2-minute creamy avocado toast. Mash a ripe avocado, add fresh lemon juice and spread it over whole grain toast. Top it with cherry tomatoes, hemp seeds and a sprinkle of smoked paprika for that extra flavor hit. No salt needed. Next, the 3-minute superfood smoothie bowl. Blend 1 frozen banana, a handful of berries, 1 cup of plant-based milk, and a spoonful of flax seeds. Pour it into a bowl and top with chia seeds, coconut flakes, and more fresh fruit. It's thick, creamy, and naturally sweet, without added sugar. For something savory, let's do a 5-minute garlic ginger stir-fry. Throw chopped bell peppers, mushrooms, and broccoli into a pan with water instead of oil. Add minced garlic, grated ginger, and coconut aminos. Stir-fry for 3 minutes, serve over quinoa, and boom! A quick healthy dinner. Now for the ultimate comfort food. 1 pot creamy pasta. Boil whole grain pasta while blending cashews, garlic, lemon juice, and nutritional yeast into a creamy sauce. Toss everything together, and in just 5 minutes you have a rich, cheesy pasta, without dairy or oil. Last but not least, the 5-minute hummus and veggie wrap. Grab a whole wheat tortilla, spread hummus, pile on fresh cucumbers, shredded carrots and spinach, then roll it up, a grab-and-go meal packed with fiber and nutrients. There you have it. 5 crazy, easy 5-minute vegan meals that are totally SOS free and 100% delicious. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more healthy, quick recipes.